taste it, I just wanna taste it. Watermelon sugar high. Tastes like strawberries on a summer evening.